Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're diving into the world of raw performance, Italian craftsmanship, and futuristic design with the highly anticipated 2026 Ferrari F80. This car isn't just a successor to the legendary Ferrari, it's a new era of hypercar dominance from blending cutting-edge hybrid technology with breathtaking styling and an unforgettable driving experience. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is a visual masterpiece. Sculpted for both aerodynamic efficiency and aggressive appeal, every line has been engineered to serve a purpose. The front features a razor-sharp nose with adaptive matrix-LED headlights that stretch into the fenders, enhancing its predatory stance. The carbon fiber body is layered with active aero components, including a fully adjustable rear wing, retractable diffusers, and side air channels that optimize airflow at any speed. The entire structure is built on an ultra-lightweight carbon titanium monocheck, which not only improves rigidity but reduces the overall weight significantly compared to previous models. The dihedral doors open upward, showcasing its exotic nature, while the 21-inch front and 22-inch rear wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires designed specifically for the F80. Under the hood, or rather, behind the driver, the 2026 F80 features a revolutionary hybrid powertrain. It combines a twin turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 engine with 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 integrated into the transmission. This setup produces a jaw-dropping 1,050 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. Ferrari claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.1 seconds and a top speed exceeding 240 mph. The F80 features an advanced torque vectoring system and a newly developed 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering precise shifts and unmatched control on both road and track. The adaptive suspension and next-gen side-slip control make handling razor-sharp, while the hybrid system allows for short-range, fully electric driving in urban environments. And when you put it in race or qualifying mode, it unleashes everything in its arsenal with a symphony of turbo and electric thrust that feels otherworldly inside the cabin. Ferrari has taken a minimalist yet high-tech approach. The cockpit wraps around the driver with a fully digital instrument cluster and a yoke-style steering wheel inspired by Formula One. Every control is embedded into the wheel turn signals, suspension settings, launch control, and even voice activation. The infotainment system uses an ultra-wide curved OLED display integrated into the dashboard with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Though in a car like this, your attention is more likely on the road. The seats are made from carbon fiber shells and upholstered in Alcantara and leather with contrast stitching. They're designed to hold you firmly in place during high-speed cornering, yet still comfortable for long-distance driving. Carbon fiber accents, anodized aluminum toggles, and customizable ambient lighting make the interior feel as exclusive as the badge on the hood. Even though it's packed with performance and technology, the F80 doesn't compromise on safety. It includes adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system, all of which can be toggled off for pure track use. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Ferrari F80 comes with a starting price of around $2.8 million. However, Ferrari is offering a bespoke customization program through TaylorMade, allowing buyers to personalize virtually every element from paint, colors, and materials to badging and race liveries. With enough options selected, it's not hard to push the price past the $3.5 million mark. Only 599 units will be built globally, making it a collector's dream and a likely future classic. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. It's a stunning combination of art, innovation, and speeder machine that pushes the limits of what a hypercar can be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to channel CR Auto.